Hello, this is Andrew, founder and CEO of Vendium Global. Today, I would like to discuss workforce augmentation. So, workforce augmentation is a term that we use to describe how we can drive improvement in our people by using training and also technology. To explain this, I'll use an example of a challenge that people all over the world face. In our organizations, we strive to hire and retain the very best talent that we possibly can. But once we do that, how do we help them improve? The answer is through the very same technology and training that we talk about when we talk about augmentation. At the most basic level, think about what training does. It helps you improve the skills that you have and build new ones. This is why development is such a sought-after benefit within organizations. Employees, they want to be better. Training helps them achieve that goal. When you look at your training to achieve an augmented workforce, we must prioritize what's important. What does your team have the skills to do? Is it the job that they currently have? What about the next one? Hiring, relocating, and training employees is very expensive. So think about if you're developing the person for the job or for the total organization. If it's for the job, then I can promise you, you're ultimately developing them for your competitors once they leave. Investing in the right training is an investment in your organization's future. Cross-functional training is the best way to accomplish this. For leadership roles, soft skills can be more important and more essential than the hard ones. People leaders have a lot to navigate. They have to navigate diverse teams, interpersonal conflict, and of course the inevitable politics within large organizations. Human interaction skills support every part of what we do, from customer service, project management, teamwork, leadership, presentations, and also so much more. Training needs to be accessible, scalable, and on demand. Why? Well, let's be honest. When was the last time you truly enjoyed and retained a PowerPoint from an expert teaching you something? When you can access the training that you want, when you want it, on a subject that you actually care about, then it makes all the difference. Technology works in a very similar way. It helps us be better at what we already do, and in some cases, achieve things that would never be possible beforehand. An exercise that we often do with clients is process mapping. For those of us who have done it, we know how tedious it can be. Hours, days, or even weeks in a room following each step with the statement of, and then what? Why do we do this? It shows the processes that have predictable outcomes. If I can say, if this happens, then do this, then it's something that can likely be automated. Chatbots are a big piece of what we do at Vendium, and that's because they can take care of most tasks. When they can't, they allow for a live human handoff. In our design thinking sessions, we will often have a bit of fun and ask the teams, if you could bioengineer the perfect employee or team member, what would they be like? Describe them. This is where we get responses like they would always be available, they'll always have the right answer, and they always look to improve. The responses describe bots without ever knowing it. Always available, always accurate, and thanks to machine learning, can not only report on what they worked on, but also improve upon it. You can email them, text them, instant message them, or even talk to them on the phone. These are all ways in which we communicate now. With highly developed natural language processing capabilities, a bot can make it hard to tell if you're talking with a human or if you're talking with a machine. Bots and other robotic process automation should be paired with operation systems that give you metrics to always improve. If it isn't measured, it didn't happen. And if it isn't data-based, then it likely isn't accurate. Now, it's important to note that no matter how great machines are, humans are the only thing that can do human work. I know for my team, I want them to be focused on the human parts of their roles. If they can script something, then it's something that they can and should automate to focus on what's most important. Augmenting your workforce future-proofs them. It helps them excel in times of varying workloads and helps you adapt faster than ever. Today, workforce augmentation is needed. Tomorrow, it'll be even more important, and the same with the day after. It is a unique investment category that can both save you money and also make your organization more money. Are you ready to make your team superhuman? Reach out to us and let's augment your workforce for today, tomorrow, and beyond. Thanks for watching.